How to delete Facebook account. First things first, open up the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're in the app, look up at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Tap on it. After tapping your profile picture, you'll see a bunch of options. Look for a little gear icon in the same top right corner. Tap on that gear icon. Now, in the settings menu, you'll see an option called Meta Account Center. Tap on that. Inside the Meta Account Center, you'll find Personal Details. Give that a tap. Once you're in Personal Details, you'll see several options. Look for Accounts Ownership and Control and tap on it. Under Accounts Ownership and Control, you'll find the option we're looking for. Tap on Deactivation or Deletion. If you have multiple Facebook accounts logged in, you'll see a list. Just pick the one you want to delete. Now comes the big moment. Tap on Delete Account and then confirm your choice by tapping Continue. Once you confirm, Facebook will guide you through a few more steps to make sure you're really sure about deleting your account. Just follow along with whatever they ask. And there you have it. Your Facebook account is on its way to being deleted. Remember, if you ever change your mind, you can always log back in within a certain period to reactivate it. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.